Welcome back to CNC training video. Today I'll show how to make this simple 3D design for the beginner. So first of all I make a 2D design after make the 3D design. So see the video from the start to end. See, here is a bigger radius is 35 and here inside diameter 40 millimeter. Here radius is 15 millimeter. See, here is a base distance 56 millimeter and here is two hole. Its first hole distance is 60 millimeter and vertical is 25 millimeter. See, here is arm, here is two arm. See, this side to arm distance is 35 millimeter is the another one. Here is thickness of 15 millimeter. Okay, and total height 111 millimeter. Okay, and here hole is 10 millimeter. Let's try to make this first. First, I choose the new interface. Okay, then I choose front plane analysis. Okay, now I choose corner rectangle. Let's start from origin to right side. Create. Okay, let's define first. Here is the width is 56 millimeter. And length is 70 millimeter. Here is middle of here 70, that means 140 millimeter. Okay, now I choose the first central line and start from this middle one. Then I choose it two circle. Start from circle line is any vertical distance 1 and 2. We need to go down. First, choose the inside of circle and hold Ctrl key on this line. Make sure it's tangent relation. Okay, inside circle is tangent. Let's define. Here, outer radius is 35 millimeter. That means its diameter is 70 millimeter. Okay, and inside circle here is diameter 40 millimeter. Okay, I need to another circle, or you can choose this 3-point arc. Here choose the circle outer diameter and hold Ctrl key this line. Make sure it's tangent relation, and also another one, it's tangent relation. Okay, now I cut this unexpected portion parts here. Okay, first I choose is okay, trim entities and choose the power stream and drag it. Okay, let's define the radius. Here radius is 15 millimeter. Okay, now I mirror this radius from here. First click is mirror entities. Okay, choose the arc, mirror about, mirror from central line. See, here is mirror. Okay, again cut the extra portion. Okay, now I choose two circle First I need a one circle, then I mirror this another circle. See, here is circle diameter 10 mm. Okay, and distance from here is origin to center point distance is 15 millimeter. It is this horizontal distance, but I need vertical distance first. Click this origin point to center point. Here is vertically distance 25 millimeter. Okay, and again I need to mirror. First click mirror option here. Choose the circle and mirror about. Mirror from here center line. So here mirror. Okay. Now I need to feature. Here is 3D option. Need to extrude boss face. Come on. See. I need to another direction of origin. First click here is another direction, and thickness is 30 mm. See, here is 30 mm block, but I need to support. First I choose this plane, click left key, and here is sketch. Okay, I need to this leg shape, need to line. Okay, start from origin to here and go forward here to backward is automatically convert into arc. Okay, here to here. See, make sure this point is transient. Also this. Okay. Let's define. Here is distance from origin 40 mm. Okay, and radius here is 8 mm. And here to here distance is 15 mm. Okay, and here is 10 mm is a hole also. 10 mm hole here. Okay, here is a very important things. See carefully. Here is extrude burst command. See here is the thickness is 15 mm. See here is 15 mm thickness. Need to is another direction, but I need to this arm. I need to this arm from up. Okay, offset from center line. Here is uh, see 19 and 15. So first click sketch plane, and here is optional, and give the distance 19 plus 15 mm. So 15 plus 19 mm. Okay, and here is another direction. See, our shape is shifted from origin. Okay, see, one arm is created, but I need to another arm from the another direction. So you can choose you can create from this, but it is long time. But I need to short time, that's why I choose the mirror entities. Okay. After that I choose okay, before I choose right plane. Okay. First click right plane and here is feature option and reference geometry. Okay, plane. First here to here. Okay, sorry. First click feature option, here is reference geometry and choose the plane. First click this plane and this plane. See automatically plane created in middle position. Okay. See. Now I choose here option is mirror. Okay, and click here is option. See this plane automatically selected and then click the boss extrude to and here is see here is automatically convert into see height. Okay, see our design is completely ready. If you want you can make a color from the his appearance and choose the every metal and shape here. So look, it's better. See. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.